Let me walk you through how you can get 50 GBP by doing small tasks. As you can see, earn 50 GBP for free, share wise and earn 50 GBP, share wise with 3 friends and earn 50 GBP for yourself. So welcome back. So this is Crypto Bonus, you all know. So on this channel, I do go to websites, apps, like crypto apps, crypto website, and do one or two if I can get paid, if I can get referral bonus, if I can get sign up bonus, any bonuses. So then I come down to this channel to show you that you can also do the same and get paid by sign up bonus, by referral bonus, or any bonuses. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe and share to friends and families for them to subscribe as well. So let's go to this video. What I have for you today is wise. So very just pay attention to what I'm about to tell you. So wise referral program overview. So this is what I have for you. This is the overview of what I have for you. So feature and details. So that's what I'll be explaining on the overview. So as you can see, referral reward up to £50 GBP per successful referral. So if you refer a person like a successful referral, like the person register, sign up and make all the verification, you get 50 GBP for yourself. Like 50 GBP, very easy to get 50 GBP. You know what 50 GB can get you? Many things. So audience incentive, so free Wise card or free or fee free, like you won't pay for the Wise card. And this you can get it because you can get it. It varies by location. Some location get it for free, some location we have to pay for it. So eligible to refer, who are eligible to refer? You must be a verified Wise customer with GBP balance, with a GBP balance. Like you have to be verified with Wise.com on Wise. Like the Wise, if you open the Wise and you are not verified, that you haven't do all your verification, your KYC, your stores. So you are not verified, but you have to verify your account and have GBP balance like 1,000, 100, 50, 20. It doesn't matter. Just have something, some GBP you balance. So you'll be eligible to refer your friends. So what is your the person you are referring? What must the person have? So must complete a qualifying transfer amount varies by region. So your friends must complete a qualifying transfer. So the person you refer, before you can receive the bonus, the person must complete a qualified transfer. The person must make a transfer maybe to his friends, to his family, to his son, to his children, any person. So he must complete a qualifying transfer and the amount varies by region. So it may be maybe in Nigeria you have to send 1,000, in the UK you have to send 100, in the maybe UK, Canada, maybe 500. It depends on the location. So you can Google more research on the amount you have to make to qualify transfer, to make a qualified transfer. So the one timeline. So after the user and the referrer did their stuff, like did the stuff, what timeline, like when will they get paid? Paid within 5 business days. So you get paid within 5 business days. So if you did the stuff on Monday, within Saturday or Sunday, you have to get a reward. Very easy to make money on Wise referral program. So payment method credited to your Wise GBP balance, convertible to other currencies. So if you receive GBP, you can convert it to your local currency. So how to share? Use your referral link from N. So tap in your Wise account. So you just have to click the N and tap in your Wise account. So program restriction not available in certain country and currency. So some country won't be able to do this referral program to earn for themselves. So but I will show you the company which are not eligible. So you can know if you are not in this country, just be happy that you can participate in this referral program. So country where Wise is not available. So Wise does not support service in the following countries and region. So the first, let's look at Africa. So Burundi. If you are from Burundi and you're watching this video, I'm sorry you can't participate in this video. So the second one is Central African Republic. You can't participate in this video. Like you can't make money from Wise because you can't refer. So Chad, Congo, Democratic Republic of Congo, Libya, Somalia, Sudan, South Sudan, all these country, all these African country, you can't participate. And some they don't listen because AI doesn't like this. I don't this platform, they don't know all the all the countries that can participate. So you just have to Google your country online whether you can participate or not. Because you see this comma, they don't put and. They are not sure of how many country, but this country they can participate. So from Asia, Afghanistan, Iran, Iraq, North Korea, Syria, Yemen. So Europe, Russia, Belarus, so Ukraine, all these countries they can participate. America, Cuba, Venezuela. In this region, user cannot register or log into Wise, send or receive money, use the Wise card. Very simple. So next thing I'll be showing you is how you can register, you can do some stuff on wise.com. So I'll be putting the link in the description below, my referral link in the description below. So make sure you use it to sign up so I can get some bonuses for myself. 50 USD is not small. So I can get some bonuses for myself. You also can get bonuses for yourself. So let's go to the platform. So as you can see, this is Wise. They have lemon background, is very neat, very okay, like it's attractive. So this is Wise personal business platform. Share Wise and earn reward. Very simple. So you can check their terms and condition. If you are okay with it, continue to the next step. So, but before I continue, make sure you do your own research before you continue to the next step. Before you make further further any further step. So before you deposit, before you refer, before you do anything, make sure you do your own personal research or check their terms and conditions to know if you are capable, because any loss or profit you made on this video is on you, it's not on me, it's on you. So make sure you do so. So let's go. You can click on invite friends or log in or sign up. If you already have the account, click on login. If you don't have the account, you have to sign up. So because I already have the account, I'll just log in. But you have to sign up. Sign up. You know what to do. All the information. Give them all the information and sign up. Verify your account. So okay, welcome back. So I've logged into my Wise account. As you can see, this home card transaction payment. That's not what we need in this video. You can see USD. You can convert your stuff here. Very easy. Just go through the page. You'll get it. So, but what I'm concern about this video is you can see this M button. Just click the M button. After you log into your account, you see the M button. Share Wise and earn 50 GBP. Share Wise with 3 friends and earn 50 GBP for yourself. Your friends get 0 fee on the transfer up to 500. So very easy. You both gain. So if you sign up with my link, I'll get 50 USD, and you also get transfer 0 fee on a transfer up to 500. So if you transfer 500, they won't charge you at all. So invite 3 friends. You will get a reward for every 3 friends who sign up with your unique link. You can track their progress anytime. So they can get they get a free transfer. All 3 friends get a free transfer of 300. So you earn 50 GBP pounds. Once all friends make a transfer over 200 euro in another currency, you can claim your reward. So this is my referral. They'll show you a referral. No referral here because I'm just making the video for you guys. Please use my link to sign up so I can get some bonuses for myself. Interest in getting paid to promote Wise, expect partnership. So I'll do that later. So each of your friends will need to make at least 200 or equivalent in one go. Same currency do not count. So that's just their terms and condition. So if you love watching the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share some with friends and family. So that's easy ways to make 50 GBP for yourself. So I'll see you in the next video.